Welcome to another edition of Jesse Tries, and today I'm gonna try Back to Nature chocolate chunk cookies. 130 calories, 8% total fat, which is 6 grams, 8% saturated fat, which is 1.5 grams, 0.5%, 0.5 grams of polyunsaturated fat, 3.5 grams of monounsaturated fats. Back to nature, my butt. 3% sun, which is 70 milligrams. 6% total carbohydrate, which is 17 grams. 4% dietary fiber, which is 1 gram. 18% sugar, which is 19 grams, but 19 grams. 1 gram of protein. 4% iron, which is 0.7 milligrams. 0% potassium, which has 40 milligrams. Don't believe me? Read it for yourself.
Hey, this is Tuna. You should have known I wanted egg salad.
What do you think I am, a mind reader? I am sending out for brainwaves. I am sending out.
You can pause this too if you want.
Try sending out for Chinese food. I've been thinking.
Here we go. Yeah, these boxes are hard to open. I can't do that. They're hard. They look like the hard and crunchy kind. They look like the hard and crunchy kind. Kind of hard and crunchy kind. It smells nice. Looks nice. Only nitpick is I prefer the soft and chewy ones like the ones from Mrs. Fields. But beggars can't be choosers.
This has got to be funny. No one can read minds. There is a man in this audience with a fat orange cap, and that man's name is.
His name is John Arbuckle. Is that John Arbuckle?
His name is John Arbuckle. Big deal, I knew that.
He has a brother named Doc Boy.
And I can sense that he has a brother named Dick. No, Doc Boy. That's right. I do have a brother named Dick. No, Doc Boy. Mr. Arbuckle, concentrate on your social security number. All right.
The number is 011513894.
The number is 011.
It's crunchy but not too crunchy. It's sweet but not too sweet. It's chocolatey. It tastes just as good as the Lane brands of cookies. I give this an A+, an A+.